Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to enable advanced microphone settings in your new Canon VIXIA HF G60 camcorder. It has a lot of advanced microphone settings, but it's not it's all grayed out, it's not activated, and I'm going to teach you how to take full advantage of it and make it useful for you. So here is how we do it. First thing you need to do is you want to obviously turn on the camera in camera mode. By the way, this is the HF G60 VIXIA full frame 4K camera. So when you press the menu button under normal conditions, when you go here to set your microphone settings, let me zoom in so you could see what I'm talking about. When you try to set your microphone settings, all of these guys are grayed out. None of these will work. So how can we enable these? And this is how we do it. The first thing you need to do is make sure this is in manual mode. They will be only available in manual mode. However, putting it in manual mode doesn't make it available either. Still, like if I go to menu and I go here, they're still grayed out. Still all grayed out. So what you need to do is close this. Now click function. From function, scroll down all the way to get to this icon where it's a little audio sign. Click on that audio sign. Let me zoom in further here for you so you could see better. Okay, so I'm gonna click on that audio sign, on this sign. Now from here, click on that little standard logo. You see that standard? Click on it. From the standard logo, scroll all the way to the right and choose the one with the C. Custom settings. Now, if you close this and you go to menu, let me press menu again. I'm pressing menu from here. You know that right there. So I'm pressing menu. And voila, all my microphone settings are now available, all of it. You have 3 pages of microphone settings. That's page 1, 2, and 3. And then you can choose. Page 2 are certain settings that's for external microphone. So notification sounds, and page 1 is all for the built-in microphone. But you can change those settings according to what you need it for. For example, built-in microphone, windscreen. High, low, you can choose. And you have boost, LF range, that's low frequency range, low cut, boost medium frequency range, boost high frequency plus low frequency range. Those are all the settings that you could play with so you could get the ideal sound that you want. Now if I wanted to switch back to normal, the way it was before, I go again, I press menu. From menu, I go to function. No, actually, you go to function, and then you go to this little icon right here, all the way and choose standard, and press cross, and that's it, you're back to standard. Now if I press menu again, all are grayed out, because the default has been chosen. They're all grayed out. That's how you do it. All right. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.